Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are always welcome to my channel. So in this my content, my topic today about which I give you knowledge about history of gas stove. I am complete discuss you about it. But first, if you are new, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and start my topic. The first gas stove was developed in 1802 by Jacques Winkler, but this, along with the attempts, remained uh, isolated experiments. James Sharp patented a gas stove in Northampton, England, in 1826, and opened a gas stove factory in 1836. His invention was marketed by the firm Smith and Phillips from 1828, and an important figure in the early acceptance of this new technology was Alexis Soyer, the renowned chef at the Reform Club in London. From 1841, he converted his kitchen to consume piped gas, arguing that gas was cheaper overall because the supply could be turned off when the stove was not in use. A gas stove was shown at the Great Exhibition in London in 1851, but it was only in the 1880s that the technology became a commercial success in England. But at stage, a large and reliable network for gas pipeline transport had spread over much of the country, making gas uh, relatively cheap and efficient for domestic use. Gas stoves only became widespread on the European continent and in the United States in the early 20th century. By the early 1920s, gas stoves was enabled proclaimed finishes for easier cleaning had become widely available, along with heavy use of isolation for fuel emission efficiency. The gas industry has launched multiple advertising campaigns since the early 20th century to increase the adoption and uptake of gas stoves in America. The popular slogan "cooking with gas" was first adopted in 1930s to suggest the superiority of gas stoves and remain in use today despite the rapid improvement in electric stove technology. The term natural gas was also a marketing strategy to suggest this fuel is cleaner and superior to other fossil fuels. In the 1960s, the American Gas Association ran a $1.3 million advertising campaign called Operation Attack to promote gas stoves while also downplaying science showing their health risks, mirroring the tobacco industry playbook of creating uncertainty. Gas stoves ignition. Gas stoves use two basic types of ignition sources: standing pilot and electric. A stove with a standing pilot has a small continuously burning gas flame called a pilot light under the cooktop. The flame is between the front and back burners. When the stove is turned on, this flame lights the gas flowing out of the burners. The advantage of the standing pilot system is that it is simple and completely independent of any outside power source. A major drawback is that the flames continuously consume fuel even when the stove is not in use. And early gas ovens did not have a pilot. One had to light these manually with a match. If one accidentally left the gas on, and gas would fill the oven and eventually the aroma smart spark such as an arc from the light switch being turned on. So my dear friend, how is my topic? I hope you like. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so now you give me permission. I am go to my new topic and give you much new information for my also new topics. So now I am go take care. Allah Hafiz.